In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design mail in new version Mautic. We'll start at the Mautic login page. Open your browser and head to your organization's Mautic URL. On the sign-in screen, enter your email and password, then click Login. You'll need an account with permission to create emails. After a moment, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, look to the main menu and open the Channels section, then choose Emails. This is where all your existing emails live and where you'll create new ones. Click the New button to begin. Mautic now asks what kind of email you want. Choose segment email if you're sending a one-time broadcast to a specific list. Choose template email if you'll reuse this message inside campaigns or automations. Segment emails are great for announcements and newsletters. Template emails are ideal for drip sequences and triggered sends. Next, pick how you want to build. You can select a ready-made template or start from scratch. Templates give you a polished layout fast. Starting from scratch offers full control. Either way, you can jump into the builder right now or circle back to it later. Inside the builder, customize your email with drag and drop elements. Add text blocks for your message, images for visual interest, and buttons for clear calls to action. You can rearrange sections, adjust spacing, tweak colors and fonts to match your brand, and link buttons to your landing pages. Remember accessibility best practices. Include descriptive alt text for images, keep paragraphs concise, and use headings to make content scannable. For deliverability, balance images with plain text and avoid overly heavy graphics. Save your work often so you don't lose changes. When your layout looks right, save your design. Mautic will take you back to the email settings panel so you can finish configuration. Add your public subject line next. Keep it short, specific, and natural. Avoid excessive punctuation or spammy phrasing. If you plan to personalize, use tokens sparingly and make sure the fallback values are sensible. Below that, fill in the internal subject or name. This is just for your team's reference so you can quickly identify the email later. Contacts won't see it. Now choose who should receive the email. Open the Contact segment field and select the appropriate segment from your list. Confirm the segment you selected appears as chosen so the message goes to the right audience. Once everything is set, click Save and Close. Your email design and settings are now stored and ready to use whenever you need them.